Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about sea holly. It's a gorgeous plant from the Adriatic Sea. So sea holly is native to any of the areas around the Adriatic Sea, which is between Italy and Yugoslavia. And so they grow in any of the regions natively around there. So the amethyst sea holly is also known as Eryngium Amethystinum, and it is found through Adriatic Sea to Sicily, and it's a perennial. It comes back year after year if you live in zone 7 to 9. So if you live in a colder zone than that, you have to bring them in the winter. So either store them inside in a container or just start them by seed every spring. The sea holly looks just like a thistle and makes a great dried flower. They're used in many, many dried flower arrangements. And they have almost spherical purple to blue flower heads. It looks like someone spray painted them. And they're surrounded by narrow, spiny, purple tinted bracts, which are pretty sharp. And they can get up to 2 feet tall. So the sea holly is an easy plant to grow. Just start it by seed in the spring and let it grow all summer, let it bloom. Cut them down and dry them as a dried flower, and you can enjoy them all winter. They're very rewarding in the garden.